There it goes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah? Okay.
Please insert your credit card in the reader below. Please select your wash package.
Never printing receipt. See attendant. Alright, this is the...
Wash is available. Please enter wash now.
You could not print a receipt.
That's okay. Got my card?
Yep. Driving slowly because they're undercarriage.
I forgot.
There it is.
And that goes under the car?
Yep. Now I'm going to try not to cuss because I want to get ad revenue.
Okay.
Keep going forward.
Okay, these things give me anxiety.
Okay. Stop. Oh, go forward still. Oh, never mind.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. You apparently weren't in the right spot.
Apparently.
Man, this thing is not looking very good.
It's not. It's a little rough.
I predict this thing is going to get replaced soon.
See?
Yep. Here goes the soap part. Or... There it comes. Yeah, wow, this thing is actually looking a little rougher than usual. No copyright intended, by the way.
None taken.
Yeah, this thing is not looking very good
Better get
at
this
all.
bird poop off my windshield or it's
Okay.
going to be getting it.
No cussing, please.
Oh, I said poop.
Yep. Yeah, this thing is not looking very good. This thing's actually starting to fall apart.
Hey, it got off. It's right there.
Okay.
Cool.
I don't know why this thing is falling apart.
It's doing pretty good, though.
Skyvader has recorded a few of the car wash videos that were falling apart because they weren't maintained properly, I guess. This thing is not looking really well maintained. Here comes the brush. Here comes the undercarriage, the tire scrubbers I meant.
Yep. I hope it gets them good. My wheels are dirty.
Yeah. By the way, this is the Walmart car wash in Canton, Texas, in case y'all didn't know that. Oh my! It's actually leaking.
Is it really?
Yep. That's definitely not good. Yeah, this thing definitely needs to get replaced soon. I'm surprised it even lasted this long. Triple foam time, by the way.
How long has it been here?
Probably a little over 20 years.
Has it really?
Yep.
Wow. That's a long time.
I'm surprised it
It's
even...
a pretty good coating of triple foam.
Mm-hmm. They call it color polish.
Oh. Color polish then.
I mean, you can call it either one, but they call it that way. We call it triple foam.
Yeah.
It's still a pretty good coating either way.
It is.
But I'm surprised it's now falling apart after 20 years.
I didn't realize it had been here that long.
Slippery when wet. Please do not exit your vehicle. Well, thanks for the information sign. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry about that. Oh, it's doing a top rinse. I know, right? Here comes the top blasters. This is not as long as the other one.
It's pretty long. You don't think?
It is long, but not as long as the other one, no.
Oh, okay. No, that other one is forever.
Because it included everything. Lava wax, everything else like that.
Now, I just stay here, right? I don't go anywhere yet?
Yep.
Okay.
Surface protectant, spot free rinse, and flash dry.
Oh.
This is the flash dry cycle.
So it sprays it and then dries it?
Yep. It rinses and dries at the same time.
Oh.
Yep. Caution. Slippery when wet. Please do not exit your vehicle.
I am not getting out of here, I can tell you that.
Definitely not. Can you guess how much the train trip to Tucson, Arizona is?
How much?
$4,000.
Whoa, why is it so expensive?
Because they're getting the Superliner bedrooms.
Gotcha.
The train gets there at 9:25 in the morning.
Whoa.
So I'm going to have to leave my house at around earlier than that.
Yeah?
So I can get there at the exact time. And plus, I'm staying here April 7th through the 26th. That's it for the car wash, y'all. Thank you and bye-bye.